Imagine waking up to money in your account. Sounds great, right? This is possible with dividend investing. Many people don't realize how simple it can be. Let's dive into what it is and how to get started. Dividend investing involves buying stocks that pay dividends. A dividend is a portion of a company's earnings paid to shareholders. Companies share profits with you regularly. This means financial growth, even while you sleep. First, research dividend-paying stocks. Look for reliable companies with a strong history. Consider sectors like utilities or consumer goods. These companies often provide steady dividends. Next, evaluate the company's dividend yield. This percentage shows how much you earn per share. A higher yield can mean more income, but be cautious. Very high yields might indicate risk. Then consider the company's payout ratio. This shows how much profit is paid out as dividends. A lower ratio can indicate sustainability. You want dividends that are likely to continue. After selecting companies, diversify your investments. Don't put all your money in one stock. Spread it across industries for lower risk. This keeps your portfolio safer. Finally, reinvest your dividends. Instead of cashing out, buy more shares. This compounds your growth, enhancing your overall wealth. For example, let's say you invest in a company with a $100 share price. If it pays a $4 dividend, you earn 4%. Reinvesting that $4 buys more shares. Over time, your income grows exponentially. In summary, dividend investing allows you to build wealth effortlessly. Start by researching reliable stocks and understanding dividends. Diversify your investments and reinvest earnings. Your money can work for you. Ready to start your dividend journey? Begin researching stocks today. Your path to financial freedom is waiting.